This is a libfprint implementation in Java using glibfprint as a bridge. At the video description I'm going to leave some information about how to compile and install these libraries, and also a small example with Spring Boot and jQuery. Here I'm going to show a little more elaborated example with Java Spring Boot application as a REST service at the back end, and a front end with Angular 2 and TypeScript. Here I have available these two fingerprint scanners. This one is a new pack icon, and this one is a digital Persona 4000p. I have the application installed in a Raspberry Pi. This is a Raspberry Pi 3 Model P, and I'm using Ubuntu Mate for Raspberry Pi as operating system. I'm going to start my browser. Okay, so here I'm going to show maybe the three main features of the library. That is the device discovery process, the enrollment, and the verification. So let's start with the device discovery. I'm going to connect both devices. Okay. Then here we can see both of them. Each one has different scanner characteristics, so each one generates images with different sizes, so you can read the for further information you can consult the library documentation, but basically you shouldn't be able to enroll fingers in a device and after that try to recognize or verify this finger in another device kind, and you need to use always the same type of device. And to enrollment, I'm going to start just with the digital Persona. It has a nice feature because it shows with some light what's going on. So here it shows that for the enrollment process you need to repeat the process 5 times, and so the enrollment stage is equal to 5. When I start the enrollment process, you will notice that this scanner is activated, so it's going to show a blue light here. And now we can start the enrollment process. Okay, after these 5 steps it's completed, then it generates a print data. It's showed in an array format, so it's an array of numbers that actually represents the fingerprint. I'm not saving it in the database, everything is in memory. I'm using just an in-memory database to use it as a service. And now it's asking for verification. So next time that I scan my finger, it's going to compare with this enrollment process, this enrollment result. And then I have a match. I'm going to delete this and start it again with another finger. Okay, it's done, and this time I'm going to scan a wrong finger. And then we have here a no match. It's possible to handle possible problems that may happen also through the enrollment process. It's easier to demonstrate with this opaque icon. So I'm going to change it. Okay, and now I'm going to start once more the process. Now you notice that if I pass my finger too fast, it doesn't generate a good image, and then it asks to retry. So let's do it slower. I'm going to force once more, so need to retry, and then it updates the step and we'll be able to go on. It generates the print data and now the verification, and that's okay. So the question is, how complex it would be to save this template and this print data to a remote database. So let's say generate a fingerprint database and then create a service for fingerprint identification. So let's say that here we could create a form where you could input like a registration, and with this registration we make also the enrollment, send everything to a remote server. Next time that the user scan the finger here, it would bring this user information or whatever information we need. That's it. So next steps, I'm going to seek the answer to this question.